As you can see, we got this In-N-Out. We got the In-N-Out mukbang going on right now. I only like In-N-Out.
I got made on my burger with no cheese.
I gotta see the presentation. This is what a burger supposed to look like.
Guys.
Anybody says that this is nasty, slap them in the face.
Guys. So McDonald's is gross, but go. In-N-Out is better. Yeah.
You're right about that.
So guys, I got the meat in my burger with no cheese.
No more chicken nuggets. We done moved on from McDonald's and we done graduated to In-N-Out.
If you got this, turn around.
I got a cheeseburger.
Guys,
Lele got a cheeseburger. Zai got a hamburger. We keeping it simple, baby.
so guys, we got this, but we didn't get it at Granny house, but we did. So we got this right here. So then we remember.
I had like a toothache last week on his right side. And I had like a hole or something. You know, peroxide, little home remedy. Close it back up. Back to normal. But it's a simple fact that I was used to chewing on my left side. And I didn't want to chew no food on that right side and get no food all in that shit. So now I keep chewing on my left side. Paranoid by my right side. You feel me? Like, I ain't even eating and chewing right now. Doing the most. I ain't got no tripod. I ain't got no car. What's your name? Car mount. None of that.
I don't want it.
We ain't in the Beamer no more, so I'm in the Tahoe. I gotta make this work. We grinding, baby. Man, can't go wrong with an In-N-Out burger. I'm trying to tell you.
Is that your hat?
Sorry.
My hat.
I was looking on TikTok, and you got really people on there having the nerve to say that this is trash. Again, slap them in the face.
Slap him in the face.
Slap them in the face.
Yep, slap him in the face. No, don't slap in my face. But
They cheeseburgers be so good, and the bun be crispy as hell that it tastes like a grilled cheese. It tastes like a good ass grilled cheese.
Daddy, look at that burger.
Oh, you want my damn way, huh? That one right there, she don't finish her food. She picky too, so seeing her eat all this, man, proud parent. No, because
Yeah.
she was eating McDonald's all the time, and that's all she wanted. And then every time we came to In-N-Out, all she wanted was some fries. And I'm like, come on now, you can't just eat fries. That ain't good. You know, you gotta eat a burger and fries. So now look, she knocking them burgers out. Ain't that right, Zach? Yeah, baby. No, we in a Home Depot parking lot right now, chilling. Yep. So no, we got the fruit man right here. You know, we got the workers coming up, pulling up, getting their fresh fruit. Cause you know health is wealth. You nothing without it. And you something with it.
Wait guys, I'm
Remember
gonna
that.
tell you something guys. You gotta stay healthy for your body so you can grow so strong.
You tell them, Lele. You tell them, girl. Cause you gonna grow up big and strong. You gotta believe.
Guys, you
And it's
waste
gonna
your
work.
lemonade, you don't drink some.
When you finish with your burger, you drink lemonade. Oh yeah, we all got pink lemonades. Pink lemonade gang.
Daddy, is this got meat or no cheese in it? This got meat.
Oh, you on your second one.
Yes, I want that one because that's the cheese.
Oh yeah, comment below if your kids like their burgers cut in half. We always gotta ask for her to cut her burger in half, but you know how these kids be.
But Trey, but not me. Sometimes I cut it, but.
Cause you a big girl now.
That is better.
But Lele gonna be in the first grade in a couple months. We gotta get you back on your schooling.
I miss you, but it said Lele's school. I go to her place.
Nah, we been on it. I've been on it though.
And her picture.
Having her going over subtraction, addition, numbers and stuff. Cause I know they gonna throw that at them. They gotta know they addition and subtraction for surely in the first, second grade. Cause third grade they start going up, multiplication and all that. Well, my dad, I don't know how they do it now, but I'm just trying to get her brain refreshed and prepared for it. So when the teacher throw out those numbers, her brain will be already trained for it, mentally prepared to go through the school trauma. Cause I hate school. I hate school.
My hair.
Hmm?
I'm doing my hair. Okay, so anybody keep.
You raise your hand, huh?
Daddy, I got burger stuck in my teeth. It's stuck in my teeth.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna end the video on that. Like I said before, I need y'all hit that subscribe button.
That's my letter.
Multiple times. Double click that mug, triple click that mug. Bop, 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 bop. No, don't do that. Click it one time, because if you do it twice, it's gonna unsubscribe. So click that one time, subscribe, hit that like button, drop a comment below, hit that bell for notifications, because every time we drop a video, y'all gonna get first dibs on it. You don't want to miss out on what we got in stores for y'all. Millerboyzent, we out.